Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about electrical devices in PVcase. If you are learning solar designing or mastering in PVcase step by step, make sure to subscribe and follow this playlist so you don't miss any free lessons. So wasting our time, we move on to our topic. Here you can see that there is a options of the electrical design options. You just click on that. Now there are the four options there. One is stringing, the other one is the electrical devices, the third one is the color coding, and the last one is the cabling. So I have already discussed about the stringing. Now today we are discussing about electrical devices. So here is the options. Just select, first of all, we have to select the PV area. Select the PV area. This PV area line, this one. You just click OK. Now, now you can see that there are the multiple options there. Inverter to transformer, inverter, AC combiner boxes to transformer, DC combiner box to central inverter, DC combiner box to inverter to transformer, harnesses to DC combiner box to central inverter, harnesses to the inverter and transformer. So basically it is for the string inverters, it is for the also for the string inverters options. This was is for the string inverter and combiner boxes option. It is for the DC combiner boxes and central inverter option. And this one is for the DC combiner to inverter and then inverter to transformer. And this is for the Y type DC combiner box to central inverter and inverter to transformer. So we are selecting inverter to transformer options. Now we have this different strings options. You just click these options, string per inverter like 16 and inverter per transformer are 8. So here you can option auto generate or semi auto generate. So you should select the semi auto generate, select the transformer, click this options. So you should mention rectangle here. Now you should mark a P line there. I will tell you why it is needed, this P line there. So going there, select the PV area, 16 strings options, semi auto generate, select the transformer, draw block, select the device alignment. So this is the line where the devices will be installed like the inverters. So just click this options, select the strings 0 to inverters. Here there are the 8 and this one the 8. You can see that one inverter place here, here, another option, the third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one. Now I will increase the number of inverters to 20. Now just select the inverter transformer, select alignment. Now this one, this one. Now cancel again and thus then select this inverter, select alignment now, this one, then show that it is 12 and it will be like this 14. Then this one and this one. Now you can make another, just click this, click this, click this, click this one, and then click this one. Then this one, this one, and scroll. Now I will click. Okay. Now 18 inverters are placed. So hopefully you will understand these points. Thank you for watching this video and I hope that you will learn the electrical devices in the PV case. If if you don't subscribe the channel, kindly subscribe the channel, like, share, and comments below your questions. I am happy to answer you. If you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and follow this playlist uh, so you don't miss any free lecture there. So there are the inverter place here. You can see that. Bye.